Here we are at the pool at the Hotel Presidente, and it's another nice day.
Dove Park on the Poniente side of Benidorm, and as you can see there's lots of people here, and it's a Monday afternoon, and what we're doing today is we're going down here towards the marina and getting on the boat to take us to Benidorm Island.
Is this the way to the harbour?
It is, you're right. Yeah.
Are you catching the boat?
Yeah, we've been on a few times. It's really nice.
Are you catching the boat to Benidorm Island?
Sorry?
Are you catching the boat to Benidorm Island?
No.
It's a few trips.
We're just nipping along.
Yeah.
Maybe get a wee bit of fishing done, but thank you.
Yeah, so let's say we're going to catch the boat to Benidorm Island, see what's going on there, bring ourselves back, and then go for a paella. So I think Tommy is leaning towards a chicken, pork, and vegetable paella. Is that right?
Yeah, I like a bit of everything.
Yeah. Maybe a starter as well.
Oh, why not?
Why not? Why not
Do you like
indeed?
a soup?
Oh, what a wonderful day. Beautiful. Really bonny. So we're going past the marina at the minute. Oh, quite a few boats out there parked up and dry docked. Our boat is on the other side of that jetty. So what I'm going to do, because they're cutting this tree down, I'm just going to go over here and get out of the way. I'm just here at the quayside while Tommy's just nipped in there to have a tinkle, and there's some sowing going on here with the palm tree, I think. So we have to be very careful when we get going again with regarding how we get past it. So there's like 4 guys there having a look at the tree situation and lobbing it down. They usually do this at this time of year anyway, you know, after bulk at summer's out at where they'll cut it down. Tommy's here. I'll just put you back onto him. And there he is, Luke. Mr. Gorse. He's here.
Yeah, you ready for a porch? A very nice porch trip?
Yes. We just have to cross the road a bit, then we're out of the way. Oh, yeah.
Oh, looking busy.
Anyway, so here we are, getting them back underway again, aiming for the marina. Do you remember the name of the boat, Tom? I think it was yellow and blue or something like that, the colour of the boat. Pretty decent boat. Is that the one we're aiming for?
Yeah.
Right. Okay. So we're aiming for the seawall.
and get our tickets, Neil, for our boat trip.
Yeah, just over here, not exactly Airwolf, but never mind, you get our drift. Anyway, on we go. So we're aiming for the sea wall over here, and there's loads of advertisements going on here for the excursions based on water, jet skis, parasailing, fly fish, banana rides, kayaks, motorboats, boat trips, sub-aqua stuff. You literally got it all here, and it's very well appointed. So you're going to walk along this route down here, and you can just about see the stall up ahead. What has it? Well, at least nobody's coming back with green gills, so it must be alright. So that means that we won't be boffing our guts up, which will be a nice change for me from last time, won't it, Tom?
That's right.
What were I like last time?
A bit green.
Yeah, well.
Ready to feed the fish.
Yeah.
We were quite disappointed, actually.
Yeah, so hopefully today might be a little bit calmer, hopefully. But, yeah, beautiful. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Oh, look at this for a view, eh? So we'll just pause at the thingy-bobby and I'll get a pan on. Let's get the pan on. Yeah. So I think that's our boat, the Bahia de Benidorm. There are all these different types of trips as well going on, which is brilliant. You can even go underneath if you want and have a look. Wonderful. Yeah. So, just showing you what there is, what the routes are. Yeah, very nice. Different ones. Not too expensive either. It's cheap. Right.
I've sent an email twice because it says contact.
Are we going on there, Neil, next? We're going doing a bit of paragliding. What's the worst that could happen?
You get dive bombed by a buzzard.
Look at this, eh? Said they moved the boats about in the harbour. Never seen that before, have you, Neil?
It's cool, isn't it?
Yeah. Bet that can go some speed. Thinking about food already?
Yeah, definitely. I'm getting a bit packaged.
I can see why they call it a concrete jungle.
Huh?
I can see why they call it a concrete jungle.
Alright there, Neil. Hello there.
This is where a megalodon goes. Oh, you never know. To the submarine they go. Hey, Neil. Hey. Oh, it's lovely, isn't it? Here's our cruise to the Bahamas. It says the Bahamas.
It's the love boat.
Is it really?
Love boat.
I remember that, yeah, I remember that programme.